Hello guys, your boy Leo is back with another video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make your own Discord bot, whether you know about programming or don't even know the P of programming, because I'll be trying my best that you understand everything I am doing. So let's see what things which will be requiring for this Discord bot. So the first thing which will be requiring is an account on this Replit site, that is replit.com. You need to sign up here. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with GitHub, or you can even sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with any email service you have for this site. So the next thing which will be requiring is a Discord account. Yes guys, you need a Discord account for creating a Discord bot. So I have created my Replit account and I even have a Discord account. So let's get started. So the first thing which will be need to do is head over to discord.com and /developers, and there we go. It will navigate me to the applications. You need to create a new application here. I'll be naming it as Itzleo test. You can name it as anything you want. Okay guys, so now our application has been created. So now we need to create a bot. So we'll head over to bot and then we'll click on add bot, and yes, do it. So yeah, our bot has been created and it has been named Itzleo test and #4191. You can rename this as you want, but I'll be keeping it as Itzleo test, and even you can upload your Discord bot icon from here, which will be the profile picture of the bot. Now we need to get the token of the bot. So I'll be resetting this token because by default it is not shown by Discord. So yes, do it and you'll get the token. So yeah guys, don't share this token, because if anyone gets this token, they can use it against you. Like they can use the bot as they like. They can even put the commands in the bot and do things with your bot that you don't want the people to do. So guys, now we need to create a REPL. So we'll click on create and then we'll click on Python, and I'll name this as Discord bot YouTube. You can name it as anything you want. So I'll create REPL. So it is creating REPL for me. So yeah, the REPL has been created, and here I'll be coding, and once I do the code I'll get back to you. So now I'll start coding. So now guys, I'll tell you what I have done here, but before I tell you what all this code means, you need to do two things. So first of all, you might be aware that this REPL is public and anyone can view your code, so you can't paste your token right here, but you need the token for the bot to connect with Discord. So what to do about that? Well, Replit provides one very good feature where we can define our environment variables. This is a thing which helps us to keep our information private, and this won't be shown in public. So how to define an environment variable? So we need to go to this lock icon and click on it. Now got it, and I need to type here token, and then down there we need to type our value for the token. So I'll be typing it as value, and let's add new secret. So you already set a secret. Yeah, I tried doing stuff with that, so I need to change it. So I'll type it as key, and let's paste our new key and add new secret. So now it has our OS environment variable key as our token for our Discord bot. So I'll replace this as key, and yeah, it's done. So what basically this code here means, so we are importing OS, then we are also, we need to also do one more thing, that is we need to install a package named as Disnake, that is Disnake, and yeah, we need to add this package. And we also need to add code here, that is import Disnake. So let me just explain why all of this is doing its work. So okay, so let me explain what exactly this code means. So first of all, we are importing different things. So we are importing OS, we are importing Disnake, we are importing Disnake. From Disnake we are importing different things too. So what exactly this means, like when we are using import, we are using other people's code. Like this OS and this Disnake was coded by someone else, so we can so that we can code easily. What this OS does is it will allow us to access our environment variable, that is key, from the environment. And what this Disnake does is that it will help the bot to connect with the Discord. Like we connect with the Discord using either a browser or using an app. So this Disnake will help the bot connect to the Discord. So the next thing here we have here is token, and we are using os.environment to fetch the key variable which is defined in the environment. Like we are basically fetching the information we set as key from the environment. And next, what do we have here? That is intents. So basically intents is like permissions in the Discord, and yeah, you need to enable the intents from here. We need to go to Discord developer portal. Now we need to scroll down here, and there we go, we have privilege gateway intents. So you need to enable this one, that is presence intent. Then we need to enable server members intent, and then we need to enable message content intents. Basically these are kind of permissions. I won't deep much dive in this. You can get information about it later on. So basically I'll enable all of this because I'll be needing. So yeah, I'll be enabling all of them. You can enable so yeah guys, I'll be enabling all of them because I'll be needing them in my upcoming videos, and I'm going to use the same bot, so I'm enabling all of them. So let's head back to our REPL, and yeah, it's installing. Okay, so in the meantime I'll explain. So what exactly is bot? So here we are defining a bot and its body here. So let's say what so commands.bot is used to define the body. So what exactly is this body? Exactly this body contains of. So we have a command prefix here, and we have intents. Intents is like the permissions I told you about that, and the command prefix I'll explain you that with an example. So you might have seen the bots where we have commands like star ban, or maybe hyphen ban, or maybe dot ban. So what exactly are the star, hyphen, or dot? These are the prefix. So we have hyphen. So if we have a command, let's say we have a command name hello, so what we'll use hyphen. Or if you have a command name as test, so what we'll use hyphen and then test. So hope you got it. Now next, what is bot.event? Yeah, the Disnake has been installed, and in the meantime let's see what is bot.event. Well, this is used to determine when an event happens in the presence of the bot. So like when the bot is ready, this we have an event name as on ready. So when the bot is ready, it will print logged in as bot.user. Basically this bot.user is used to show the name of the bot. So my bot name is Itzleo test hashtag 4191. So when the bot is ready, the program will print logged in as Itzleo test hashtag 4191. So what's next? Well, now we have added bot.command. This is used to tell the bot that we have a command. So how to define a command? So we will be using async define, and then we'll name the command we want to have. Like I'll be naming it as hello. So what now will we have command as? So we'll have command as hyphen hello. So when we type hello, the bot will do this. Okay. So what basically is CTX here is like it is an object. I'll be going more deep in about the CTX in later videos, but for now let's say when we use ctx.send, it will send the hello there in the same channel where the command hello was used. So now what is this bot.run token? This is used to run the bot. So the token here is passed, so the Discord knows what bot we are using. So now let's just run this bot. Before that, we need to invite the bot to our server. So I'll go here, then I'll go to OAuth2, then I need to go to URL generator, and then click on bot, and you need to enable this permissions, whatever permissions you need for the bot. For now I'll be needing send messages, create private, and I'll be enabling some of these permissions. Okay, Later on you can enable any of the permissions you want. For now I'll be just enabling administrator. You shouldn't enable administrator because most of the websites which list the bot won't accept your bot if it requires administrator permission, because no bot requires administrator permission. So like I'll be using administrator permissions because this will be my own server and it won't be for public use. The bot won't be for public use. So yeah, I'll be using administrator permissions. So I'll copy, and you need to enable the permissions you require. Okay, so I'll paste this here and this will take me to the Discord. Okay, I'll select a server, that is our test server, then continue, and it is giving administrator permission, authorize, and it is checking me. Okay, I am a human. Oh wow, I'm a human. So yeah, our bot is in the server, so happy. Okay guys, so now we need to run the code. So yeah, I have made some changes here because there were some errors creeping in. So first of all, you need to change this from exts to ext, and you also need to make this capital A to small a. Now let's run the code and hope it works. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and let's run this. And yes, come on. Yeah, logged in as Itzleo. Now let's see if it's working. Yes, our bot is online. Yes, so let's run our command. Let's type slash and hello. Wow, our bot replied. So yeah, congratulations, you have created the first bot. Well, our bot is online and you might be happy, but I have to announce a problem here, that once we log off the site, the bot will go offline. So what to do about it? Well, I have a trick about it. So I have created a code. This includes the library of Flask, but I can't explain it because it will be too complex for some people who are not programmers. So let's just copy it and then we'll create a file. We'll name it as alive.py, and now we'll paste the code here. I'll be giving the link of this code in the description. So let's get to the alive.py. Now we need to go to main.py and we need to make a change here. We need to type from alive and what function we have here. Okay, what function we have here? We have live. Okay, from alive import live, and we need to run live before the bot runs. So live, and yeah, that will be running live. So what this will do, we need to stop it first. Now we need to run it again. So yeah, let's see, it's installing some stuff for the Flask to run. Okay, so yeah, it's working now. The thing has been installed and this will show up to you. The bot is alive and working fine. And now let's see if the bot is live. Yeah, it is live. So now we need to go here, we need to copy this thing, and we need to register on one more site. This is uptimerobot.com. This is this site, uptimerobot.com. You need to go to register for free. You need to enter the stuff here, and don't check this because if you check this they will spam your email, so don't check this. Okay, so yeah, now we need to create new monitor. We'll create an add new monitor. We need to create a monitor, and we'll name it. Okay guys, so now we need to create a monitor. So let's type let's click. Okay guys, so now we need to create a monitor. So let's click on add new monitor. That will be HTTPS, and I'll name it as our Discord path, and here we'll copy the link from here. So I'll copy this and here I'll paste it. So yeah, so monitoring level every 1 minute, monitor timeout in 30 seconds. Okay, let's go. So let's create a monitor. Continue free with slow monitoring. Okay, let's wait for it to create the monitor. Create monitor with no alert, context selected. Yeah. Okay, our monitor has been created, so our bot won't go offline now. So if I close the site and I reload this, so yeah, our bot is still there. So let's type in /-hello. So yeah, our bot is still working. So yeah guys, we have finally created our first Discord bot. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned because we'll be bringing more such videos very soon, and we'll be even showing you how to make ticket system, verification system and stuff like that very soon.